Hi there. So, if you are going to be taking any sort of payment on your site, that could be you're selling a physical product or you're selling an online course, you're selling your consulting services, you're taking donations if you're a nonprofit, anything like that where money is going to come through the site via the website visitor into your bank account, you are going to have to connect a payment processor to your Squarespace website. So, I'm going to show you how to do that in this tutorial. So what you'll do is you'll log into your website, head over down here to settings. That's the little gear icon down in the bottom. And once you click on that, you're going to have some options here. You're going to want to click on selling. And here is everything that's related to your taking and selling products or services or taking donations. So what you'll want to do is click payments here, and that's going to be your way to add a way to receive payments. And you're going to choose which one benefits you the best. So if you have never taken payments and you don't already have like a Stripe account down here, so Stripe was the kind of main credit card processor. And then Squarespace payments came on the scene as Squarespace's built-in payment processor. So if you don't have anything, I'd recommend using Squarespace payments just because it's going to stay within Squarespace and you're going to have only one login to manage. If you are connecting Square or Stripe, you're going to have another login to manage. That's no problem. It's just something to be aware of. Square is really beneficial for if you're selling physical products. Maybe you do markets or something, and you also take payment in person as well as online. Is a good option for that. You can also connect your PayPal or Venmo account, so you can have Squarespace payments and PayPal if people prefer to pay that way. You cannot have Squarespace payments and Stripe, for example, since those are the same type of software. You only need one payment processor. So what you'll do is you'll just click the one that you want to connect and follow the instructions and the prompts that pop up. I'm not going to click it because it will start it for this site, and I'm not the one connecting. You'll need to enter some, I can't remember exactly what all's in there, but some sensitive information, which is why we can't do it for our clients on our end. It's something you'll have to do to enter in your specific information and then get your bank account connected for the where you want them to deposit the money. So that's all you'll need to do to connect that. Once you connect that, it will allow people to start paying on the site. You can always test it with a $0 or $1 and just make sure it's all working correctly. But typically we don't see any issues here when connecting these. As always, please reach out to team@lookandfeelbranding.com if you have any questions.